Good medical morning, this is Adam, and today we're going to look at some really interesting clips from around the web. First off, this comes to us from a Tampa-based podiatrist. We'll go ahead and put a link in the description below, but the patient stepped on a nail. Now the doctor is popping this out of his foot. Feel free to venture a guess of what it is, but they're going to send it to pathology. Also comment below when you see an infection like this with a hair at its core. Do you consider it an ingrown hair or just a pimple or pustule? Go ahead and leave your comments and opinions below. This person sent me a comment on Facebook asking if I thought this looked good for 3 days after surgery. He didn't say what surgery he had, so we'll try to get a follow-up and figure out what's going on and get some video. And this was one of Reddit's top pops this week. The individual told me that they're a little embarrassed because they didn't have access to pimple popping tools. They're also upset that they didn't keep the camera on the pimple the whole time. They get focused here in a moment, but I can see where you'd be upset if you didn't keep this thing in frame, because it's kind of a fun pop. And I'll go ahead and put pimple popping tools, a link to them, in the description below. My absolute favorite kit that's high quality, stainless steel, and it's built to last. Not like some of those cheap aluminum kits that'll bend and break and just cause more damage than they're worth. That was an interesting watch. This eye doctor submitted this picture. The eye was weeping from this lesion. Ouch. I'll leave you with this waxing clip. This pregnant woman is having her belly waxed to smooth it out, get rid of any unnecessary hair. I'll put a link to a wax kit as well in the description below in case you want to try waxing. I think I might try it on my arms for a video. Would that be fun? We'll see. Make sure to click subscribe. We have new videos every week.
Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.